Hey guys, Miss Whitlock here. I'm going to do a little lesson on place value with numbers and how that when the digits or numerals are the same, that each time you move to the left, it's 10 times greater than the place before. Again, that's if the digits are the same. 5,616. Okay, we have a 6 in the ones, a 1 in the tens, which has a value of 10, a 6 in the hundreds, which has a value of 600, a 5 in the thousands, which has a value of 5,000, a 5 in the 10,000s, which has a value of 50,000, and a 6 in the 100,000s, which has a value of 600,000. Hang on just a second, I'm going to change charts. Alright, so let me come out just a little bit. Let's just focus on, as you can see, there's our number again, 655,616. Okay, so I've written the digit, the 6, okay, and the digit 6 I'm referring to is the 100,000s place. So this 6, okay, has a value of 600,000. Alright, the digit 5 up here in the 10,000s place has a value of 50,000. Okay, the next digit is a 5. This time this 5 is in the thousands place. Okay, so it has a value of 5,000. The next digit is a 6. It's in the hundreds place. Okay, hundreds place has a value of 600. All right, my next digit is that 1. Okay, this 1 is in my tens place, and it has a value of 10. Okay, my last digit for this number is a 6. It is in the ones place, and it has a value of a 6. Okay, so what I'm talking about is how, with this base 10 number system, if the digits or the numerals are the same, then we can compare how many times greater or how many times less. So let's just start right here with the 6, okay? The 6 that's in the ones place is 100 times less than the 6 in the hundreds place, okay? So this 6 in my ones place is 100 times less than the 6 in the hundreds place. Okay, we could prove that with 6 times 100 is 600, or 600 divided by 6 is 100. Okay, so now let's look at the 6 in the hundreds place and compare it in the opposite way to the 6 in the ones place. So this time the 6 in the hundreds place is 100 times more than the 6 in the ones place. Okay, so we just reverse the order. 100 times 6 is 600. 600 divided by 100 is 6. Okay. So the next digits that we had that were the same were the 5 in the thousands and the 5 in the 10,000s. Okay, so comparing 5,000 and 50,000. Okay, so 5,000 is 10 times less than 50,000. Okay, 5,000 is 10 times less than 50,000, or we could do it the other way. 50,000 is 10 times more than 5,000. We could prove that because 5,000 times 10 would be 50,000, or 50,000 divided by 10 would be 5,000. Look at the number. We have 3 6's in the number. We have a 6 in the 100,000s place, a 6 in the hundreds place, and a 6 in the ones place. Okay, so those values, 600,000, 600, and then the ones place has a value of 6. So when I'm comparing that, the 100,000s place, which is 600,000, is 1,000 times more than the hundreds place, and 100,000 times more than the ones place. I can prove that by 600,000 divided by 1,000 is 600, or 6 times 100,000 is 600,000. Now that was some pretty big jumps, so let's look at this number, okay? So my 6 in my ones place move 2 spaces to the left. So that 6 is 100 times less than 600. Okay, but if I go back to the 6 in the ones place, okay, so when I go back to the 6 in the ones place, I'm moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places to get to the 6 in the 600s, 600,000. Okay, so when I move all the way from the ones to the 100,000s place, that 600,000 is 100,000 times more than my 6. Okay, so let me just show you a chart that kind of sums up. Okay, so this is my chart to explain each move and how many times more or times less it is when using the base 10 number system. Okay, so in the base 10 number system, if the digits or the numerals are the same, when we move to the left, our value is increasing, but when we move to the right, the value is decreasing. So if we move 1 place to the left and the digits are the same, it is 10 times more. If we move 2 places to the left, it is 100 times more. Again, remember the digits have to be the same when comparing. 3 places to the left is 1,000 times more. 4 places to the left is 10,000 times more. 5 places to the left is 100,000 times more. Moving to the right, we have the same pattern, except for when we move to the right, our values are decreasing. So 1 place to the right is 10 times less. 2 places to the right is 100 times less. 3 places to the right is 1,000 times less. 4 places to the right is 10,000 times less. I hope this place value video has been helpful. Please tune in again in the future. Have a great day.